Oh, this is gonna grow up real good. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. It's Adam with Stronghold. I was just doing a little bit of indoor gardening. You know, speaking of indoor gardening, did you know that there is a very simple solution to help you stay organized, eliminate unnecessary movement, and cut back on wasted time? Yeah, that's right. We built a point-of-use flammable safety cabinet. It helps keep all your important tools right at your fingertips, which reminds me, I need to run across the shop and pick up the rest of mine. If you'll excuse me just a second, I'll be right back. Our point-of-use safety cabinet is small enough to keep on a nearby workbench, utility cart, mobile cart, or in the back of your service van. It might be small in size, but it punches above its weight class. It has an all-welded steel body, 14-gauge doors, heavy-duty leaf hinges, galvanized shelves with magnetic labels, a leak-proof sump area, and it's designed to meet NFPA code and OSHA standards. Finally, jeez. What the heck did I even come out here for? Damn it. Save those long walks for the beach. Put Stronghold's point-of-use flammable safety cabinet in your workspace today. Stronghold, we're more than a great box. That's what I needed.